Yeah, guys, am I audible to everyone? Guys, am I audible? Can somebody respond me back in the chat box? Yeah, fine. Good evening, everybody. Yes, thank you for your responses, everyone. So, how many people were joined the session? 71. Okay. I think I'll wait 1 more minute for the remaining people and we'll start the session. Okay. Yeah, and end date of the assignment, sir. Yeah, actually, today by end of this night, okay, I'm gonna send you all this like, okay. Sir, can you explain how write assignments in portal, sir? No more writings assignment in the portal, man. You people have to write in a document, or I already sent it some questions to you all. You please go through that questions and write in some documentation, make it as a PDF or something like that, and submit it in the portal. Okay, there is an option called upload there. So there itself you can upload the documentation. Okay, you please answer the all questions. Guys, but tomorrow morning you can see the, okay, one section in the assignment part. Okay, one section at the assignment at the end of the portal, at the end of the video. So there itself we will give an option. Okay, assignment option. So there itself you can find the questions. For that questions you please answer and submit there itself only. Okay, getting right? In case if you want to write an answers there in the chat box or something, we will give a box there itself you can answer. Instead of that, you can, if you want to submit any documentation or a PDF, you can submit that option also, we will give to you. Okay, tomorrow you will get to all questions. Okay, you will get the all questions there itself you can. Okay, we right now we didn't even mention any assignment questions or something like that there in the portal. By tomorrow you will get a session there, you will get one section there. So there itself you can submit. Getting right? Tomorrow morning you will get the access. Are you getting or not what I'm speaking in the picture? Guys, అర్థమవుతుందా? రేపు మీకు పోర్టల్లో వీడియోస్ కిందనే, ఓకే, వీడియోస్ యాక్సెస్ కిందనే మీకు ఒక సెక్షన్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఆ సెక్షన్ ఏంటంటే అసైన్మెంట్స్ సెక్షన్. ఓకే, ఆ అసైన్మెంట్స్ సెక్షన్ దగ్గర మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ సెక్షన్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే మీకు అప్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్ కానీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ ఓకే మీకు ఓపెన్ అయిపోతుంది. సో అక్కడ మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ రాయాలన్నా రాయొచ్చు. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం ఒక డాక్యుమెంటేషన్లో రాసేసి అన్నీ కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ యూ కెన్. Okay, but tomorrow morning you will get all the things. Okay, don't worry about anything. Okay, so that's all. And any queries of any queries on for you? Any queries? Sir, your voice is getting low, sir. Now is it okay, right? Now is it okay to all? Now my voice is audible. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you, Lokeshwar Reddy. Fine. So I think I already completed the syllabus like on variables, data types, as well operators, and we already saw some kind of examples. Okay, whatever we needed and whatever that we can see it in the Python, I already discussed with you an examples. So those are the examples, and I already told you that you to practice. I already told you people to practice on the remaining concepts which I left over yesterday. I don't know like how many people were done that, and I already told you that tomorrow I'm going to pick somebody to do a programming on the assignment part which I given yesterday. Okay, so now I'm going to call one person, so that person has to perform, programming in the this class. Okay, yes, okay, no more questions, right? So if you have any queries or anything like if you want to ask me, last 5 minutes I'll give time for you, so that time you can ask me any question so that I can answer. Okay, but right now I am going to start the control flow statements. So right now I'm going to start the control flow statements. So let me use this. Yeah, please answer to me. What is control flow statements? What is mean by control flow statement? Anybody having an idea? What is control flow statements? What is control flow statements? That's what my question. What is let me share my screen as sorry. Yeah, break, continue the statements. Okay, break and continue the statements. Okay, good answer. Not bad. Let me share my screen. Okay. So it itself I can write. What is control flow statements? So guys, let me know what is control flow statements in the picture here. So somebody given me answer like yes, to control the to control the flow of the statements. So if else, yeah, I know this man. Program execution, Anjali Reddy, nice. Break, continue the statement. Break and continue the statements. Okay, nice, nice. Not bad answers. I'm getting proper answers from you people. So I'm very happy for this. Okay. So control flow statements are nothing but yes. Somebody what is giving for break, continue. Yeah, I know. Yes. Where is Nagendra? Right. Nagachandrika. Yes, Nagachandrika. What did you mention? Control flow statements in Python are used to manage the flow of execution of a program based on the certain conditions. Yes, yes. Excellent answers. So programs based on their certain conditions. Okay, based on the conditions, we will get an output. what type of conditions that we can see it in the picture. Okay, what type of conditions we can see it in the picture. So let me write this, because whatever I'm thinking to answer, same thing mentioned by the person. Okay, everybody write down the statement. Control statements in the Python are used to, okay, no more Python. If you want, you can, okay, like this you can write. So control statements are used to manage the flow of execution, okay, of an execution programs based on whatever the programming we are writing. So based on that, we will get an output. So we having three types of control flow statements. Okay, we have three types of control flow statements. What are those? I'm expecting answer for these people. We having three types of statements. We are having, sorry, two types of statements. Just listen. Oh, no, not that one, not that one. We're having three types of statements. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements. One thing. Okay, let me open one thing to you people so that you guys can clear out. Okay, ఇలా చెప్తే మీకు ఇంకా బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. Let me, yes, decision conditions and statements. Let me show you this, and let me explain by this. Okay. Yeah, guys, conditional statement, transfer statements, iteration statement. Okay, sorry. Yeah, conditional statements, transfer statements, and one more thing, what? Iterative statement. Remember the points, guys. In when it comes to interview part, they won't ask you like if you can give like these answers like if else, they won't accept it. What my question is, what are the control flow statements? There are three types of statements. What are those three types of statements? If I ask a question, or if they are ask a question like what are the three types of a statements, means you have to answer like conditional statements, transfer statements, iterative statements. So like this you have to answer, like this you have to answer. Okay, no more like if else, no more this. Once they will ask you like what are the control statements or what are the conditional statements, okay, once if they will ask you like this, you people have to answer like that. If else, nested if else. Okay, like this you have to. Sir, where is do, sir? Sorry. Yeah, do comes under to the iterative, man. Don't worry. Do while loop. Anish, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Don't worry. I'm going to tell you. So once they will ask you like, they firstly they're going to raise a question. What are the control flow statements? What is control flow statement? Okay. Then you do while not there in Python, sir. I said that I'm going to explain you what and what. Let me wait. Let me explain you first. That is what I'm saying in the picture, Nagachandrika. I said, let me first explain all these things, and let me come to there. Okay. That is what I said. I said like there is a do. I'm going to say, I'll tell you. I said that you wait. Okay. So first of all, you people have to answer like what are the control flow statements, or what are the control flow statements, in the sense you have to answer them like conditional statement, transfer statements, iterative statements. You have to answer like this. once you answer like this, they're going to ask you like, what is, let me know what are the transfer statements. What are the transfer statements that we can see it in the picture? If they will ask you like this, you people have to answer like break, continue, pass. Break, continue, pass. You have to answer like that. Once if they will ask you like what are the conditional statements means, you have to answer if else, if else, nested if else. So like this you have to answer. Okay. So they're going to ask you like step by step process. They won't ask you immediately to answer or so on so point. Okay. If you are really good at like control statements, let me know the iterative statements. What are the iterative statements? Okay, they're going to ask you like this kind of questions. Okay, then you people have to answer. Okay, remember the point, and you have to follow according like what I said in the picture. Okay. Okay, let me tell you now. Tell me guys, what are the three types of statements that we can see it in the picture? You saw right now, guys. Let me know the statements. What are the three types of statements? Let me know the first statement. Guys, what is the first? Yes, conditional statement. Conditional statement. Second one is what? Yeah, let me transfer. Transfer statement. Third one is what? Iterative. Iterative statement. Okay. So these are the three types of statements that we can see it in the picture. Now, in control flow conditional statements, what we can see it in the picture? In conditional statements, we can see first thing if, and next what we can see it in the picture? If else. Next, what we can see it in the picture? Sorry, I think so. I'm getting. Just a moment. Yeah, I think I have to reduce my size so that I can. So if else, after that, if you can see, if, okay, yes, nested if else, nested if else. So this is what we can see it in the picture of conditional statements. This is what we can see it in the picture of conditional statements. So remember the points what I mentioned here. Remember the point what I mentioned here, guys. And next, please. Next, please. What? Next, what? Next, what, guys? Continue, break, pass. Transfer statements are nothing but, yes, continue, break, pass. These are the statements that we can see it in the transfer. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay, okay. I'm getting the point. Don't worry. Don't much explain. Yes, yes, yes. So these are the things that we can see it in the iterative statements. Iterative statements. What are those? Break, pass, continue. Okay, all these things that we can see it in the iterative statements. Okay, sorry, transfer statements. So when it comes to the iterative statements, there in iterative statements we can see, okay, for while. In iterative statements we can see for, while. These are the things that we can see in the iterative statements. And when it comes to transfer statements, there we can see break, continue, pass. When it comes to conditional statements, if we see if else, okay, and if else, and nested if. Okay, these are the things that we can see in the conditional statement. Please remember the points which I'm repeating to you all, so that definitely it's gonna useful to you in the interview. Okay, these are the things that we have to keep on remember, so then only we can answer whatever the question they will ask. So after explaining you all the three types, okay, they're going to ask you like write a program using if else, or write a programming using while loop or a for loop. Okay, they're going to ask you like that. Okay, or they're going to assign you some question, or they're going to assign you one question or some questions to you based on all these types, based on all these three types. Okay, immediately you people have to ready to write a program, then only you will get good grade, or you then only they will appreciate on you and they will try to give a job. If not, they can't, because based on your performance, based on your coding skills, based on your explanation, based on your communication skill, okay, they're going to test you all the things, they're going to test you all the things, then only they will appreciate and they can give you a job. If you are not performing good at there in the interview part on the basic questions, they can't even accept you. So that is why I'm saying you each and every concept step by step. At the same time, I'm asking you people to practice what I'm giving in as an assignment. And I'm asking you people to, in case if you're having any doubts or any queries at any point, I'm asking always you to question to me, so that I can give an explanation. Okay, so please prepare for everything. So this is what we can discuss the conditional statement, control statements. Okay, this is what the control flow statements, that what I discussed with you. So till now about explanation of the control flow statements and the three types of statements. Having any doubts, guys? Do people have a doubts on definition or description and three types of statements? So if you don't have any queries, we directly step into the practicals. Can I jump? Can I jump into the practicals, or else if you have any queries, somebody let me know. And the person, let me know the person, like who is that person. Who's this Naga Chandrika or somebody? They mentioned like, sir, we don't have, there is no do while loop in. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Actually, what I'm trying to say is, I told you that to keep wait. I told you that to keep wait. I'm going to explain whether is a do while loop is there or not in that. But to immediately answer like, sir, we don't have a do while loop. Okay. So anyway, you have a clarity, right? So guys, anybody having queries on this? Description, definition on three types of conditional statement. If you don't have any queries, I'll directly jump into the practical part. Nagachandrika, no for what? I'm not getting. No for what, ma? No queries, sir. Okay, fine. Thank you. So let me ask, is there anyone interested on doing practical? If anybody interested, so that I can give an opportunity to do them. Okay. I didn't have laptop, sir. Okay, Chandrika, it's okay, fine. It's okay, Chandrika, not a problem. Anybody, Monica or somebody, Suman, I always remember those people. So if you have any queries on, if you are not in, if nobody interested on doing practical, so that I can do a practical. Getting right what I'm saying? Can I do, or else anybody interested to do the practical part? Let me know, let me know, guys, so that I can do. Yeah, okay. So Moni, Samoni, sorry, sorry for the proper. Okay, so No more. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to do a practical part today so that you will get each and every point. Okay. Okay, Nana. Let me do a practical part. Where I have to go, I have to take Jupiter, right? Let me go Jupiter. Yes. So, guys, what is if statement? Where we are Python programming. Is this false statement? Uh-huh. Yeah. Here itself, I'm going to check true or false condition. Okay. First, we will check conditional statement. We will take first conditional statement. Okay. We'll take first conditional statement. Okay. Okay. In conditional statement, I'm going to taking if I want to write a code, if by using if statement, I want to write a code. So if statement is defines true or false. If statement defines a true or false. So if statement shows like the execution of a code, whether the condition is true, if whatever the condition that I'm writing, the condition is going to be true or false. So that is what I'm going to see it in the picture. So let me do a code for this. Okay, let me do a code for this. So yeah, somebody Naga Chandrika you mentioned. Okay, fine. Thank you so much for your code and everything. So I'm going to take variable x and I'm going to take value 10. Okay. So I'm giving if statement here. I'm giving if statement here. If sorry, if x is okay. So guys, if you have any queries while I'm writing the code, you can also interact with me or you can text a message to me so that I can listen. X is greater than what I'm writing. X is greater than 5 or not. So that is what I want to print. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So what is an output for this? What is an output for this? Is it x is greater than 5 or not? What is the condition here I'll get? What is the condition that I can get? Yeah, x is greater than 5. I just given if statement. I given if statement. So that based on this if statement, I'm getting x is greater than 5. Okay. If I write if else statement, let me write if else as well so that you can get a clarity. Yes, if else. For if else, what I have to write? For example, I'm taking x equal to. Can anybody guess? Oh, like okay, I can give like 3 or something like that. Any number. If you want to take any number, you can take at any number. Like exactly, we have to take only this number, not like that. You can take any number to print the value. Okay, we have to know the point like whether my condition is going to be true or false. We have to define that. Okay. So I'm writing print here. I'm writing print function. So here I'm writing like x is greater than 5. Same thing like whatever I mentioned in the picture. I'm writing this because yes. Okay, next. What I have to give here in the picture? Right now I have to write else. I have to write else. Again after else, what I have to do? I have to give again print because here I want to know the true or false statement. Here I have to know the true or false statement. If my condition is true, I will get true. If my condition is get false, I'll get false. So like that I have to get an output, so that I can know the condition, whether my condition is true or false. So x is greater than 5. If x is not greater than 5 is, then I can give um x is not greater than 5, not greater than 5. So here I missed here I did one mistake. What is that mistake? Can anybody find? Yes, thank you. Who is this? Lokeshwar Reddy. Thank you, thank you. Yes. So you guys are active. So I'm so happy. So what is the output that I can get? What is the output I'll get? What is the output that I'll get? False. Thank you, Lokeshwar Reddy. Okay, unexpected indent. What is the unexpected indentation? Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much for your beautiful answers. Thank you so much. Yeah, you guys are following. Yeah. So indentation. Everyone, please look at the indentation as well, so that you can get okay output. Else is placed wrong. Else is placed. Yes. Yeah. Kaiti. Sorry to my pronunciation of your name. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. Kyoti. Kyati. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Kyati. Kyati का मतलब I know what is mean by Kyati. Okay, Brad. Actually, I didn't even heard this kind of name, so that's the reason I asked you. Don't mind it, okay? Fine. So, what is the next statement? What is the next statement I have to write? If else, right? If else, right? So, let me write that program as well, so that you will get a proper understanding on this, okay? If yes, yes, yes. Sorry, 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 sorry. Hmm. So now tell me, guys, what I have to do here in the picture. Multiple conditions. So if we will use in multiple conditions. Okay. For example, we will write in the format of like marks. Okay. In the marks statement, we will write this program. Okay. Once if my marks is less than this many score, I should have to get a grade this. Should get grade this A grade. Or if I get so and so marks or less than 50 or greater than 60, I should get so and so grade. So in that case, we will use this if else statements. So we are following this one, right? This format, right? So actually I want to follow this statement as well. Now let me explain you this as well. So I'm giving like x equal to some number, my favorite number 7. Okay, if x as okay, guys, are you observing like what I'm doing in the picture? What I'm okay at any line. If you get any question, you can ask me so that I can help you in the okay. X is greater than what I have to mention 10. I want to give 10 because I already given 10, right? So that is the reason I want to give 10 here in the picture. Okay, I'll give here and I add the code. Okay, again after this, I'm going to give else statement here, elif statement, elif, elif x. So I can give 5 or something like that because from starting itself I'm following 5, right? So I want to give 5. Let me write a program by using 5 as well. Print x is greater than 5 but less than or equal to 10. Okay, I just want to give like this. Next, what I have to give here in the picture? Else. So again I have to give the print function here. What I have to give? X is 5 or less. So I want to give x is 5 or less. X is sorry x is 5. This statement I want to write in the picture. Okay. So let me know what is an output I'll get. So what is an output that I can get here if I run this? Guys, somebody let me know what is the output I can get if I write this. Can somebody answer to my question, please? Yeah, I'll get an answer. X is greater than 5 but less than or equal to 10. So this is an output I'll get. Not X is sorry. Not like that. You people please observe this the point. I just mentioned X is greater than 5 and less than or equal to 10. So this is a statement I'll get, and also I'll just mention the else if. So there itself I can see the condition in the picture. Okay. The if else statement checks the multiple conditions. Okay, I already defined you that if if else if else statement checks the multiple conditions. Okay, based on the multiple conditions, it will give us an output. It will give us an output. Let me show you another code for this, an example. What I said in the picture, like mathematical programming. Yeah, let me show you that program so that you will get clear understanding of this. Okay. Yeah, guys, if you can see it in the picture, this is what I have to say. So if you can see it in the picture, marks. Okay, first of all I have to enter a mark based on my marks. If my marks is less than or equal or 80 or greater than or equal to 80, based on that my grade will come. Or after giving if less than or 60 or greater than or 60, I'll get one output, the grade. So like that I'll get a grade. Based on grade I'll notice that I am at good position, or I'm in the first rank, or I'm in the second rank, or I'm in the third rank. Okay, based on my grade, I can. By looking at this statement, I hope everybody understood. So this is what we can write if else statement. This is what we can write if else statement. So all these three everybody can say. All these statements everybody can say. Can somebody tell me what is nested if else? What is mean by nested if else? Can anybody say? It's your turn now. Is there anybody interested to say me an answer like what is nested if else? Can somebody give an answer for this? If condition inside if condition, okay. Use if else statement within the if statement. Okay. I'm giving this one as an assignment to you. Please note the point. You people have to write a programming on nested if else. Okay. You guys have to write nested, yes, nested if statement. Yes. Thank you, Nagachandrika. You given beautiful answer. I'm happy for this nested if statement. Okay, nested. So, guys, I'm giving nested as an assignment to you. Write a programming on nested. Okay, a nested if statement. So, and submit as in the submit that program in the portal. Okay, so that you will get an idea. And so, what about transfer statement? What about transfer statement? So here itself I'm marking out. Okay. Okay, this is your assignment. So try to complete this assignment to you, because everybody knows all the things concept, right? But the thing is, you are not based on understanding of these three statements, like if else, if else. By understanding these three, you guys can write instead. Okay, let's get into the point of second one. What is the second one that I discussed with you? What is the second one I discussed with you? Give me a name for that before. Yeah, I know. Break, continue, pass. Yes, transfer. Yes, you remember. Transfer. Transfer statement. Transfer statement. So in transfer statement, what we can see, the first point, we will see the first point in the transfer statement is, we'll see break. Okay, we will see break as a first point. Yes, break. So to write a break, what is the program I can write? Values like okay, well, go with like for, even for loop. I also, I'm going to tell you is to write by using for as well for this to get. So for I in range, I'm just making a range as it. So actually before this, I have to tell range. Yeah, if I equals to. So guys, if you know this, so that you can answer. Okay, if you know this, you can answer to me like immediately. So here I am giving break. Here I am giving break. So after giving break, what I'm doing in the picture, I'm printing the function. I'm just printing the value. Mm, okay. So, hmm. So what I'm doing in the picture, okay. Everybody has to answer. What is an output that I can get if I write this? Guys, let me know the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Just think for a while and say yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll get an as an output. What I missed here? What I missed here? It's yes, yes, yes. Again, it's asking like what I missed in the picture. Line number 3. Yes, for yes, 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 yes. For I in range, yes. If I equals to 5 break. Where I have to mention this indentation. Yes. Let me. Yes, yes, yes. Again, I got an indentation. Then I immediately changed the indentation so that I got an output. Okay. I'll get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I already mentioned you guys. This starts with 0, not starts with 1. It starts with 0. Okay. Remember the point. Don't forget. Okay. So this is how I can get an output. If I give break, here I given a break. Here I given a break. So you people have to remember the break point, and you will get to know the output. Okay. Now what I have to give, let me go with continuous. Okay, let me go with one. I given break. I want to continue. Let me see the part of continue. Let me see the part of continue. Mhm. Let me see the programming on continue. So for the continue also, I'm giving like same way of what I mentioned in the previous part. For I in range, for I in range. So for I in range, I'm mentioning like as of 10 I can, now I can give 5 or something like that to get anything we can give, not a problem for that. is exactly we have to get only the output or this. Okay, 2 5 2 is fine, not a problem. So instead of break, okay, previously I given break statement, but instead of break I'm going to give continue. Instead of break I'll give continue. So whatever I give continue, print. Okay, I'm going to give the print statement value. I represent value there itself. So then what I have to do, I have to do comma and I have to give. So what is an output that I can get here if I write this? 130 1 3 4 5. Only I won't get any 5 1 3 4 I'll get. Okay, so here also we can find indentations and everything like yes. So we have to check our indentations and everything so that we'll get an output. Let me see the point in the picture. Yes, 0 1 3 4. This is an output I can get. This is an output I can get if I give the continuous part. What here missed? 2 is the missed value. Here what we missed? 5 is the missed value. Here what we missed? 2 is the missed value. Right? Yes, it's keeping it's keep value 2, sir. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Here 2 missed out. So that is what we can see it in the continuous part. So let's get into the pass. Let's get into the pass, or else I have to give an assignment of this. So okay, it's an assignment for you people. Pass is an assignment. Guys, note it down the assignment question here and write yourself and submit in the portal. There itself I'm going to check. Okay. Yes. So pass is your assignment. Remember the point, and let me explain you the remaining concepts. What I have to explain? Last one. What is the last one I have to explain? Loop, right? Loop I have to explain. Let me explain for loop. Let me explain for loop. Or else I have to explain well, okay, anything. I'll explain one for it. So what is the last one? Iterative. Yes, thank you so much. Iterative. Sorry, I forgot to give the commands. Okay. Comments. Okay. Iterative statement. So before I start giving iterative, iterative, iterative statement, right? I'll first and foremost, I'll start with for loop. For loop. Okay, I'm going to start for loop. So in this for loop, I'm going to write a program for I in range. Everybody knows about this. For I in range, I'm considering 5 because already I'm continuing with 5, right? So that is the reason I'm using 5 here in the picture. Okay, print. This is an iterative, right? So that let me give an iterative. If my condition becomes loop, I have to check what is an output that I can get here in the picture. Somebody let me know what is an out 0 to 4. Oh, 0 to 4. Yes. 0 to 4 I'll get an as an output. 0 to 4 I'll get an as an output because I'm loop. I'm taking for loop, right? So that is the reason I'll get 0.5 as an output. So let me continue. So guys, are you understanding like why and why it's getting like 5? Did anybody understood like why exactly I'm getting 0 to 4? Okay, anybody getting the point? So here if you can see, the for loop iterates over a sequence. Okay, here the for loop iterates iterates over a sequence, such as list tuple strings of a range, such as list tuples and a range. So now I consider as a range, right? Okay, now I consider as a range, and then I started executing. Okay, then I started executing the code block for each items in the sequence, for each items in the sequence. So that is how you people have to remember. Okay, once again I'm saying, so for example, we're taking for loop iterative over a sequence. Okay, over a sequence. In that format, we can see a lot of things like list, tuples, strings, range. Okay, from those we're having an execution code block for each of the sequence. So that is how I did this code. So that is how I did this code. So you please remember the point like what I said now. So let's continue the process of like while loop. So we're having pending while loop, right? While loop on we have only two, right? So that is the reason I'm telling this one. Um, if not, I can give an assignment as well. So I don't want to give assignment for this. Okay, while condition. So yeah, while condition. Yes. Sorry. While condition. Not a problem. I know the while condition. Okay. I just mentioned like that. Don't think that if I mention like this means it continuously will be like that. Okay. I just mentioned. Okay. So while loop, right? So that what type of program we are already continuing, right? Let me like take while, right? So I'm considering, for example, okay, count. I'll start with like a count equal to, I want to continuous with the 0. So that is the reason I'm mentioning count, and I'm mentioning while here in the picture because I started with while, right? So that is the reason I started with while. I'm giving count 5. Okay, print. I'm giving count. Okay, count. Okay, if I start giving in the count itself, what is the output I given count, right? So I have to give like plus or equals 1 or something like that. If I give this as well, I can get an output. Okay. So what is an output I can get in the picture? Can somebody let me know the output of this? What is an output I can get here? So if you take like no more via 1 2 3 4, no more like that, like we'll get 0 to 4 here also. So the while loop repeatedly executes the code block along with the condition truth. Along with the condition is true. అర్థమవుతుందా? While loop is always says that repeatedly executes a code. Okay, it's always repeatedly executes the code along with the condition until gets true. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో మనకి ఈ వైల్ లూప్ అనేది రిపీటెడ్ గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? when when the code is when the code and the blocks condition is true. అర్థమవుతుందా? So based on that only we will get an output. Let me get 0 to 4. I from starting itself I'm telling you that I'm just taking the same code for everything, but I'm just changing the statement like while for. Okay, this is what I'm changing. That's it. I'm giving same code for everything for the understand, because I'm starting itself I'm continuing with given numbers, right? Okay, I'm always giving executed numbers and existed numbers, right? So same process I'm giving for the remaining conditions also. You people have to think like where the condition statements were changing. I'm just changing the condition. Based on the condition only I'm changing the code. If you can really observe here for loop, I just mentioned for I in range 5. Okay, and I mentioned I. So in that also I just mentioned count here. For this count I mentioned the plus or equal 1. Okay, based on the This for loop is all about repeatedly executes. Okay, based on the condition trues. Okay, based on the condition trues. This is how we have to think. Okay, guys. So these are the control flow statements. So till now, if you have any queries, you can ask me now so that I can help out you now. If you have any questions, ask me now. If you have any questions, ask me so that I can clear your doubts, ma. If you don't have doubts, okay, based on these statements also, I'll assign some questions in the portal. Okay, tomorrow you please check the questions. Okay, and answer all the questions, whatever the questions that you are receiving. Okay, answer all the questions. Based on that questions, you will get. I'll correct the questions. Okay, whatever the answers that you wrote, I'll check each and every answer, and I'll send a mail to you. Okay, like which question you did better and which question you did wrong. Okay, I'll send a message as well. Don't worry for that. So that is what the evaluation part is going to be. So everybody has to submit your assignments based on the assignments as well. You will get certificate. Okay. Okay, remember the point. You have to perform everything, then only you can get a certificate. Even attendance and even assignments, even the interaction between you and me in the class, everything I'm going to check. Okay, I didn't have access to assignments, sir. Yeah, Nagachandrika, you will get, ma. Tomorrow you will get. Please text a mail. Okay, you text mail here so that I can forward this mail to my admin team, so that you will get an access. So whoever didn't get, yeah, Nagachandrika, I'll inform admin team regarding your issue. And I'll update you what and what. Okay, brain vision. Yes, I'm getting this one. Okay, I'm forwarding in front of you only. Mail key. So I already sent to admin team regarding your issue, ma, so that they will check it and they will confirm by tomorrow morning. Okay, don't worry about it. So I'll confirm it by tomorrow morning. Don't worry, Nagachandrika. You will get a mail regarding the portal access, so that there itself you can submit. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. In case if you have any queries, you can ask me now so that I can help you. So, guys, one more thing I want to say, guys, please everybody fill the Google form. Everyone, please. Everyone fill the Google form so that I feel happy for that. Mhm. Okay, I'll check it once here in the picture so that I'll forward Google form. Everybody, please fill this. You guys can spend 1 minute for this to send. Okay. Yes, in the brain vision itself, it's having or what? Yeah, I'm forwarding this mail. No, no, no. Yeah, just a minute, guys. I'm not this. Yeah. So I'm putting in the chat box. Everybody, I don't have access to assignments. Sir Kirti, you also please send me a mail. Twenty-one hours. What is so? Anyway, I'll submit this access in the. Okay. I'll send this link to Telegram group. There itself, you have to fill the Google form. I'm requesting everybody to fill the Google form. Okay. So that's all for today. And where is Kirti? You please. Yeah, guys, we were having an issue. Please, your mail ID is in the Telegram group if you are having access, or if you don't have an access, please type your mail IDs in the chat box so that I can forward to admin team. Yeah, you guys not already, please. Guys, right now I send a Google form to your Telegram groups. Everybody fill the Google form so that I can continue. Which mail I have to take, ma? Kirti Gara, like, or Kirti I have to take. So, guys, if you have any access, you guys can send a mail there. Oh, fine, fine. Mm, yeah, fine. Ganesh, Galahari, I send Kirti. I'm sending this mail to admin team. Okay, then that's all for today, guys, and we'll see tomorrow. And I already shared the Google form in your Telegram group. Everybody, please fill the Google form and give your feedback. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a great night and good night, everyone. Thank you, guys, for your patience.